Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. Today we have our M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So this is the portfolio where I invest in dividend stocks. These are stocks that are going to be paying me passive income either every month or every quarter. So that's basically just me receiving free money for owning shares of a stock, which is great passive income in my opinion. Now before we get started with the video, if you like this type of content, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like for the video and leave a comment below what you think about the portfolio. So let's get into it. As you can see right now, I am up about $453.76, which is about 9.1%, which is great. My goal was to get about 10% by the end of the year, and that's not even a half year's work, but 10% was my goal. As you can see, my real estate right here. These are my REITs pretty much. I am up about $126.88, which is about 12.68% on this sector right here. So first stock we have is going to be Store Capital. Store Capital, our average share price is $34.84. Right now, the price is $38.87. So we're up about $60 or 13.6% on Store Capital. We have Realty Income O. Our average share price is $72.54. Currently it's trading at $80.30, which is an all-time high, and we're up about $37.26, which is about 12%. And then we have Welltower. Welltower is doing amazing as well. Our average share price on this one is $82.49. Currently we're trading at $91.12, putting us up at $28 profit, which is about 11.5%. So all in all, these REITs are doing amazing. This sector right here of my pie is doing really amazing. I love it. Next up, we have the consumers. So our consumers are up about $73 or 8.2%. First off, we have Coca-Cola. Obviously, everybody loves Coke. Our average share price was $51.07. Right now, it's trading at $54.64. We are up about $25.50 on this position, which is about 8.6%. Coke is an amazing stock to hold in your portfolio. I love the dividend from them. Walmart we bought at an average share of $106.09. Currently Walmart is trading at $119.35, and we're up about $35.50 on this position, which is about 13.37%. Comment below if you know what that is. 1337. Next up, we have Pepsi. Pepsi, average share price $131.55. Currently, it's trading at $137.45. We're up about almost $10 in this position, or 5% if you want to say it that way. And then last but not least, we have Amazon. This is just something I bought for fun. Our average share price is $1,733. Currently, it's trading at $1,762. So we're only up about $2.37 or 1.64% on this position. Not bad at all. Next up, we have the bonds and ETFs right here. So SPHD, which is the S&P 500 high dividend low volatility ETF. Our average share price was $41.30, and currently it's trading at $43.01. We're up about $20 in this position, or 6%. And then we have Vanguard REIT ETF, just REITs in it. So average share price is $88.65. Right now it's trading at $95.18. We're up about $27 or 9.2%. And then we have LQD, which is our bonds. This is going to be our bonds and bond ETF. I bought the average share price at $121.04. Currently trading at $127.14, and we're up about $13 or 6.2%. So as you can see here on our bonds, we're up about $60.67 or 7.2%, which is another great sector for me. Next up, we have telecommunications. So first up, we're going to have Comcast. Comcast, we bought at an average share price of $42.45. Right now, Comcast is trading at $45.72, which puts us at a profit of about $29 or 9.5%. After that, we have Verizon, another great stock to hold in your portfolio. I'm very excited for the 5G, battle coming up in the future. Our average share price is $57.51. Right now, it's trading at $60.88. That puts us at $22.50 profit, or 8.2%. We have AT&T. AT&T, this is one I wish I would have grabbed more of. My average share price is $32.06. Right now, it's trading at $37.74. So I'm up about $28, which is about 21%. 21%, I think that is my highest percentage, in my whole holding. So that is amazing. In our telecommunications, we're up about $80.50 or 11.2%, which I believe is very, very amazing in my opinion. Next up, we have utilities. In the utilities sector right here, we're up about $64 or 11.7%. First, we have SO, Southern Company. Our average share price is $55. Right now, trading at $61.95. On this position, we're up about $31 or 13.8%. Next up, we have Dominion Energy. Dominion Energy, our average share price is $76.33, currently trading at $82.72, and we're up about $18 in this position, or 9.6%. And then last but not least, in this sector, we have Duke Energy. Duke Energy, our average share price is $87.38. Right now, it's trading at $96.17, so we're up about $15 or 11.2% in this sector. After utilities, we have finance. So in finance, you guys all know that I am trying to build up a position in Bank of America. I'm going to be adding more. All of my dividends that I'm receiving, I'm going to be reinvesting into Bank of America currently. And if I have some money that I'm going to be adding on into the portfolio, I am going to be adding it into Bank of America and another stock that I'll talk about in a little bit. But first off, we have JP Morgan Chase. Our average share price was $109.14, currently trading at $125.12. So that puts us at a $50 profit, which is about 15%. I did not know that I was up about 15% on JP Morgan Chase. That's crazy. Bank of America, obviously we're up like 75 cents, which is 5%. We don't even have half. We have about half a share. Average price was $29.96. Right now it's at $31.42. That's why I definitely want to build up a position in Bank of America. I also believe, don't quote me on this, but I believe that Warren Buffett owns about 10% of Bank of America, and he's actually trying to get some type of contract made where he can buy more than 10%, because he can not legally own more than 10% of Bank of America, but he's trying to get some paperwork done so he can invest into more of it, which just, and I didn't even know about this before I made my decision to invest more into Bank of America. So just seeing that he's investing in it as well is going to give me high hopes for my future as well. Next up, after the finances, we have the tech sector, which is just Microsoft. Microsoft just had its earnings today afternoon, actually, and it did pretty well, but I believe the cloud growth is low, even though they beat earnings. Right now our average share price is $125.95, currently trading at $137.24, and that brings us to about a profit of $28, which is about 9.3%. Not bad. We're up about $28 or 9.3% in the tech sector. And then last but not least, we have health. This is the other position that I want to keep adding to, Johnson & Johnson. So I believe that Johnson & Johnson has been getting hit hard. I believe that they also beat earnings this week or the past week, but they keep getting lawsuits and other things like the baby powder and stuff like that. They just keep getting hit by these lawsuits that are bringing down the stock. But I think once they get past all of these negative things, that this stock has a very bright future. As you can see right now, the average share price is $136.60, and currently is trading at $129.90. So I'm down about $7.36 or 4% on this position. And then we have Pfizer, which is another stock that I want to add more to the position because it's down right now. So I want to average down my cost. So our average share price is $42.47, and right now it's trading at $36.77. So we're down $23, which is about 13.3% negative. So the health sector is the only sector that I'm negative in. I'm negative $30 or 8.8%. As you can see, every other sector we are up except the health sector, which is fine. That is why you should always divide. You should invest in more than one company, because if you invest in one or two companies or three companies, if that company goes down, you're going to lose a lot of your profits because you're invested so much into it. Right here, I believe I'm invested in about 19 or 20 stocks. So even though the health sector is down, the tech sector and all the other ones are up. So no matter what, I'm going to make a profit out of that. which is very good. And that's why I have, a certain amount in each sector as well. As you can see in my real estate, I have the most invested, then the consumer, then my bonds, then telecommunication, utilities, and then my finance, tech, and health are about all even, because those are the ones that I don't believe in as much as the ones in the top. Like the REITs are the ones that I'm really interested in right now. They're doing really well, but they're at all-time highs, so I can't buy more because I'm going to be buying at the all-time high, and I don't want to average up my price when they're already at the highs. I'm going to wait for a dip for a better opportunity to buy more. Also, my consumers, I definitely want to stock up more on stocks like Coke, like Walmart, things like that. But yeah, guys, this portfolio is up about 9%. As you can see, the goal is 10% for this year, and I believe my average dividend is about 3.5%, close to 4% on this portfolio. So that means I'm getting about $200 in dividends every year just for owning these stocks. But this I've only received about $70 in dividends this year because I started this portfolio like halfway through the year. So I think 9% is a great amount so far. Leave a comment below. What is your percentage? How much are you up on your portfolio so far this year, or just in general? And leave me your best, your best stock. What's the stock that's doing the best in your portfolio? And what do you think about my portfolio? Do you guys think I should be adding to a certain sector more? Or what do you guys think? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.